bit on the equity markets. The Nifty opened quite positive today. However, it faced resistance at the 20-hour moving average and closed flat, extremely flat today in today's trade. The advance decline ratio was, however, positive with 744 advances to 707 declines. Some of the major drivers for the market were today for the L&T, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Jindal Steel and Tata Steel. However, the IT pack, that is Infosys, TCS and HCL Tech, and the pharma stocks like Cipla, Lupin, Dr. Reddy provided some support to the market. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative today by 1 point. It is the fifth consecutive negative daily close, and it is trading near the crucial support of the previous swing, above the previous swing low of 66656 of 6656. Now we can observe that the 20 daily simple moving average has been now acting as a crucial resistance for the Nifty, and even in today's trade it has been unable to surpass that crucial resistance. Therefore, the 20-day simple moving average, which is 6749, until and unless surpassed, will act as a crucial resistance on the upside. It is trading above the 40-day exponential moving average, which is 6616, and also the previous swing low which it made in the last trading session, that is 6656. So these two are the crucial supports for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions, that is 6616 and 6656. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that our sense is that Nifty has formed an expanding triangle pattern on the hourly chart, which is also visible on the daily charts, and currently it is trading near the lower end of the range. Today we observe that the Nifty faced resistance at the 20-hour moving average, that is placed at 6721, and thereafter it traded in a sideways manner throughout the day, volatile, 20 points up, 20 points down, and ended the day flat. In this process, it has formed a bullish flag pattern, which will be confirmed only if we surpass the level of 6737.65, which is the high it touched in today's trading session. So traders can go long on Nifty if today's high of 6737.65 is surpassed on the upside. The daily momentum indicator has triggered a negative crossover, that is majorly on the back of sideways consolidation throughout the day. Now today we have closed on a weekly basis, and some observations on the weekly charts. We can observe that in the last week it had formed a gravestone doji pattern, which is not a bullish pattern, and at today's weekly close we have closed in the negative for the week, around 90 points from the previous closing. So this is not a bullish sign for the Nifty in coming trading sessions. However, we are trading above the crucial supports of 6656 and 6616, which are crucial supports. So until and unless these supports are breached on the downside, our short-term trend remains up for a target of 6900 and with a reversal of 6665 on the downside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has closed in a negative today. However, it has held on to the crucial 20-day simple moving average, and it is trading above that. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 12,738 and 12,510, and crucial resistances on the upside are placed at 13,000 and 13,268. Now for a summary of the whole thing, we expect the Nifty to trade with a positive bias in coming trading sessions. However, traders are advised to trade cautiously as we are seeing high volatile action during the day, and traders should go long on Nifty only above 6737, which is the high touched yesterday in today's trading session. Sorry. That's all for the day. Thank you.